Hello traders, the title of the video is revealing a powerful swing trading tips for swing traders who are tired. Are you a tired swing trader looking for powerful swing trading tips? Well, let's get started. All right? So for a swing trader, the most important thing, or the first important thing that we need to find is a high probability trading setup. All right. So once we find the high probability trading setup, we will implement what we call a different time frame trading method. After that, we want to make sure that we are there to the trading triangle. Talking about trading triangle, traders that are new to us, it is about trading first the market, which is the S&P 500, and then we concentrate on the sector before we even consider the financial instrument that we want to trade. So what we are saying is that if we are trading any stock, any currency, any indices, we want to align that stock, that trading strategy with the market and the sector first. The next thing that we do not want to forget, talking about the trading triangle, we want to pay attention to the market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamental. This is about the trading drill, all right? But in this tutorial, talking about powerful swing trading tips, we want to highlight the prior high. So you can see that this stock, United Technology Incorporated, EPIC UTX, it's an American stock, went up, you see, went up, boom, 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 up, and formed a high here. Now it starts pulling back, we know it's a high. So if any financial instrument, whether you are trading commodity indices or futures, any financial instrument goes above a high, we highlight that high. So you can see that after this high is formed, the price went above it. Those candlestick bar above that high closed. So we draw it. It's very, very important to draw the prior high. Okay. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the retest of a prior high. So because this is a prior high here, okay, we are just waiting for the price to retest it. So this was not a good one, so he didn't go away from it. So you can see he went away from that prior high and then he retested here. This is what I'm talking about. Are you a tired swing trader looking for powerful swing trading tips? So if a financial instrument retests a prior high, anytime, anywhere, it is a high probability bullish trading setup. On the other hand, if a financial instrument rally up to retest a prior low in a downtrend, repeat in a downtrend, that is a high probability bearish trading setup. Again, we will follow, very, very important, the trading drill. We have found a high probability trading setup. Next step, we implement a different time frame trading method. Third step, we are there to the trading triangle. So here it is, the retest here. Monitor the candlestick pattern, monitor the chart pattern, monitor the price reaction at the retest point. Give priority to bullish signal above that prior high and give priority bearish signal below it. Here it is. You follow the trading drill and here it's going up. You will not remove that line. Once you draw that prior high, leave it on your chart. You can leave it there for the whole year. So for swing trading, we can use this strategy on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, monthly chart, quarterly chart, yearly chart. But my recommendation to traders is to use more the monthly chart for swing trading purposes. All right. So, but though we can use it on any time frame, use the monthly chart for swing trading. Okay, best swing trading setup. Okay. So because we left that line on our chart many months, and so here it is again, it came back to retest it again. So game on. Follow the trading drill and take it like a pro. So if you follow correctly the procedure, you will see that, okay, it went up, good, was successful swing trading here, successful swing trading. All you are doing, you are looking for swing trading setup on the edge of a prior high. Let's move on. So now we have a new high here. So did the price go did the price go above that high? Yes. If the price goes above that price high, we can highlight it. If it did not, you leave it alone. Now you see, it went above that high. But the point I want to add here is that the difference between the high, the prior high that we used before, and the new one here, no big difference. So we can ignore the new prior high. This one, we ignore it because we have already traded here. We have already traded here. So maybe we may say we can trade here now because we did not trade here yet. But if you notice that you have two prior high that are quite close, you will ignore the new prior high. So, are you getting it now? I don't want to repeat myself. So trader says, oh, you repeat yourself for too much. Okay. So now we have again a new high. The question that we must always ask, did the price go above that high? Yes, it did. A candlestick bar did close above the high. So we can use that prior high. We draw that line and we leave it there. It doesn't mean that straight away we're going to have a trending setup. Sometime the line will be there. You can use the same color, so you leave it there on your chart. You say, okay, anytime I see pink lines, horizontal line, I know that this is a prior high. So you can use a color that is favorable to you to highlight, okay, those are prior high on your chart. So when you are looking for those trending setup, you know, okay, hey, now it's retesting that one of those prior highs. So there's a high chance we may have a high probability trading setup here. Now I need to be quite, behave like a professional trader, a trading setup, a top-down trading method, different time frame trading method, without violating the trading triangle. Okay, so here we are, this high here, this prior high, prior one above it, almost, you can see here, it tried to retest it here. Sometimes you will see that it may not touch it exactly, but you see a candlestick bar with a tail try to retest it. This is one here. Some trader may not catch this one, but more advanced trader will catch this one. Pew, up. Yeah, a better one here. Retest of that prior high because you left that line on your chart for many months, or even here you see. So this was in 1999. That line is still on your chart. 2009. Here we are retesting that line. Then you apply it. You follow the trading drill. If the signal fell, you come out, you close the trade. This is about cutting losses, minimizing losses, and letting the profitable trade run. So by applying a different time frame trading method, we are controlling the risk. Signal fell, we are out. No question about it. Okay? So here it is again. Boom, up. That line, you do not remove it. You just leave it there. Okay? So now again, you can see that if we consider the new prior high, which is this one here, the difference between that prior high and this one, no big difference. So we can ignore the new one. It's up to you. You see, they are quite close, isn't it? So we will ignore that. That's my recommendation. Ignore this one because it's quite close, almost the same zone. So far you can see that the price ignore it here. So if they are quite close, the new one ignore it. There's another one here. This is a high. The question is, did the price go above it? Yeah, it is. And above it, you just find a support here. In fact, it's a tiny double bottom retesting here. Boom, up. High probability trading setup. Price breaks above the prior high and retest it. Yeah, it did retest it here, but you see, as you can see here, if one is not applying a top-down trading method, you see this one did not go up. So there's nothing in the financial market talking about 100% winning rate. No, there's nothing. You can spend $3,000 buying a so-called best trading system, but remember, it's all down to controlling the risk. So sometimes the signal will fail, and this one example here. So you see, it retests, it bounce up, but come back down, went below it. All right. So, but here, when one is using a top-down method, you will notice that the signal on the signal time frame has failed, and then you come out. So, traders that are new to us, monthly chart, trading setup, daily chart, trading signal, hourly time frame, the entry, weekly chart, trading setup, 2-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame for the signal, and 50-minute time frame for the entry. Daily chart for the trading setup, hourly time frame for the signal, 10-minute time frame for the entry, and so on and so on. All right. Yearly chart for the trading setup. All right. Monthly chart for the signal, and daily chart for the entry for position trading. Quarterly chart, weekly chart, 4-hour time frame. Quarterly chart, 3-day chart, or 2-hour time frame, or 3-hour time frame for the entry. Okay, so very, very important. You find a trading setup. So the swing traders a swing trader must spend more time to validate the trading setup, because that's the foundation of the swing trade. All right. So now that you have found it, you want to now take the correct step. Different time frame trading method. The signal fell, come out. You enter the trade. Before you even enter the trade, you will consider the market. So if the market is bullish, you concentrate on bullish portfolio. Market is bearish, concentrate on bearish portfolio. Adopt bearish strategy to align your strategy with the market. So we say to traders, the 6 biggest trading mistakes are day pro traders. Check it out, that webpage. Is the one of the 6 biggest trends is the violation of market pattern. So the word market comes first before anything. Market pattern and the market itself. So when we are talking about the market itself, is the S&P 500. The market pattern, we are talking about the 3 channel, the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. The market always comes first. So though we are trading United Technology as a swing trader, we need to consider the market first, then the sector before the individual financial instrument that we are trading. You don't want to ignore the economy news. As a swing trader, it is crazy to avoid economy news. You want to go to Google Finance or Yahoo Finance, check the economy news that are coming out relating to the stock or the index that you are trading, or the currency that you are trading, or the commodity that you are trading. And also you want to check the economy news relating to the peers. Okay, that group, okay, those sectors belonging to the same sector, what's going on there, news, the market environment, very important. Are you trading the first week of the month? It's quite challenging to trade during the first week of the month. Okay, those are the steps you want to take, so you do not get too tired. So talking about a tired swing trader, I know more about a tired swing trader. When you come to a point where you are really, really tired, because Friday evening you lock yourself, still looking for those golden nugget swing trading setup. Saturday the whole day, Sunday the whole day, you abandon your children, your wife, everybody. You do not want to talk to anybody. You are looking at those screens, drawing line, channel, looking for all kind of trading methods, strategy, trying this, trying that, looking at the other side, and you are tired. Now here we are, we have a simple strategy, which means if a financial instrument is going up, it must display higher lows and higher high. In an uptrend, we are concentrating on a new high. Therefore, if it goes above a prior high and retest it, we want to look at it and monitor the prior reaction and then follow the correct step, which means the trading drill to trade it like a pro. So, as always, if this is new to you for the first time, the best approach, if you watch a video on YouTube, okay, use a demo account, practice, gain more experience, more skills. Okay, see different challenges, different scenarios. You say, oh, George said this, oh, this is not what has happened, oh, what's going on here? Oh, what have I missed? Okay, and so on until you master it. Okay. So moving on, there is a new high here. The question we want to ask: did the prime go above it? Yes, it did. So good, then we can draw it and leave it there for many months. What are we waiting for? The retest here. There was one recently here. And then what do? We follow the training drill. Okay, it worked. It worked beautifully. Yes or no? Okay. Now we have a new prior high, which is this one. Did the prior goes above it? Yes, it did. But you can see those two prior high are quite close. We can ignore this one now. All right, you see, this one we are talking about. We can ignore this one. But they are quite close in the same zone, or you leave it there and know that, okay, they are quite close. Okay, so now, okay, ignore that. Now we have a new higher high here. Prior went above it. It beat, just a bit, you see. It closed above it here. Here it is above it. So all we do, if it goes above it, we do something like this and retest, they will consider that as a possible Okay, swing trading opportunity prior to bullish signal above the high and prior to bearish signal below it. And we follow the trading drill without cutting corners. Are you still tired? Maybe you'll feel a little bit better now, all right? So if you like this strategy, work on it until you master it, all right? Work on your ability to use a different time frame trading methods, all right? Signal fail, come out. If you are ignoring the economy news, start paying attention to the economy news, the fundamental, perform at least the Google acid test, and know exactly what's happening. Where is the market now? All right? Is the market at a resistance level? Is it at support level? Is the market in a corrective phase? Is it in a trending phase? What's going on? Where are we? Where are we going? All right? So those are the things that you need to take into consideration, all right, to start improving your swing trading now. Right? If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the STW24 traders talking about revealing a powerful swing trading tips for swing traders who are tired. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, don't go away, mark it down, and that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, do not hesitate to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. So this will conclude our discussion today about revealing a powerful swing trading tips for swing traders who are tired. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the STW24 traders. Speak to you soon.